Hello again. Thanks for joining me for the second part of learning how to add GiveDirect fundraising forms to your Google Analytics account. If you haven't watched the first video in this series, you may want to do that first. Let's jump right in from where we left off. You've added your GA4 tracking ID to your GiveDirect forms. Next, you need to set up something called cross-domain linking in your Analytics account. Cross-domain linking allows traffic from outside of your website to be viewed in your analytics reports. Now, if you are embedding your GiveDirect donation forms into your website, this won't be as important for you. But if you are using a donate button on your website, and when you click that button, it opens a donation page on GiveDirect.org, then this step will be important. Let's start on the Google Analytics homepage. In the last video, we were prompted to use the GA4 Setup Assistant, so we didn't really see the home page. Now that your GA4 property has been created, this is the home page you'll see when you log in. To set up cross-domain linking, we want to go back to the same place we were before. From the home page, to get there, come down to the gear icon and click that, and then click Admin. From the Admin page, you'll look for data collection and modification. It's in two places. You can see it here in the sidebar for the navigation, and then you also have a pane for it in the main window. From either location, click Data Streams. We've been here before. This is the data stream that we set up on the site when we created the GA4 property. So click the data stream to open it, and now we're in the details page for the data stream. Instead of getting the code like we did before, we're going to scroll down the page and we're going to click Configure Tag Settings. And you'll see in the description that it says including cross-domain linking. So let's open that. And then in the Google Tag page, we want to click Configure Your Domains. And now we're on the Configure Domains page. We want to add a new domain. So come to where it says include domains that match the following conditions and click Add Condition. Leave the match type set to contains, and in the input field, type GiveDirect.org. Come to the top of the window and click Save. And let's just double check it. I always like to confirm, so let's click Configure Your Domains one more time, and we do have it there. So we're all set. Now you can back your way all the way back out of that. You're back on the data streams page. Now, as before, it will take a little while for the cross-domain linking to take effect. You'll want to wait 24 to 48 hours before you can realistically start seeing that GiveDirect traffic in your reports. The example website that we're looking at now has already had cross-domain linking enabled in the past, so I'm going to show you how it looks in the reports. So over here on the main navigation underneath Home, you've got a link for reports. Let's click that. Next, click Engagement. And under Engagement, click Pages and Screens. This is the report that shows you the pages that have been viewed by visitors to your website. When you take a look at this, you'll notice that you've got a header up here that says Page, Path, and Screen Class, and some metrics. And I see that I've got 19 entries, and I want to see all of those at one time, so I'm going to go ahead and change the rows per page to 25. And I'm looking at the data from basically a month. I can see all the pages that have been visited on this website, and you'll notice we've got this one mystery item at the top, which is just a slash, and I don't see GiveDirect in here, so I'm going to show you how to see that. At the top of the first column, click the plus sign, go to Page Screen, click that, and then click Host Name. Great. Now I can see which website page we're looking at. And you can see if you come down here that this particular slash mark belongs to GiveDirect.org. So this is a hit to this website's donation page. The slash mark at the top indicates that this is just the website's home page. So that's how you're going to see GiveDirect traffic in your report, but you don't want to have to remember to add host name every time you pull the report. So I'm going to show you how we can save the report with the host name already in it. Come up here to the pencil icon on the top right and click Customize Report. You're in the Customize section. You'll see that it goes back to just the default report. So we want to add the host name again. Come to Page Screen, click Host Name. It's added the host name. If I go back to 25 rows, I can see GiveDirect in there. So that's the way I want this report to appear in the future. So I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to select Save Changes to Current Report. It's going to say, I'm about to update this report for all time, and you say yes, save. Those changes have been saved, so let's go back. There we go. And now you can see that it does include the host name, but again, I always just want to confirm. So I'm going all the way back to the beginning. I'm going to Reports. Under Engagement, I select Pages and Screens. And now my report does include the host name by default. That's exactly what I wanted. So that's it. You've completed the steps to add cross-domain linking so you can see your GiveDirect traffic in your analytics reports. The next video in this series will show you how to set up Google Search Console and link Google Search Console and Google Analytics together so that you can see your organic keyword searches in your analytics reports. Hope you'll join me for that.